Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you meet the honor graduate criteria. This saves time. Gather your diploma, official transcript, and a school certification that explicitly states your honor's distinction because the Civil Service Office verifies academic honors. Next, secure primary ID, PSA birth certificate, and a government-issued ID. Once done, request an NBI or police clearance early. They often take days. Make sure documents are original plus one clear copy. This prevents repeat visits and speeds the application. Now you complete the civil service application form precisely. Errors delay approval. Fill fields exactly as on your PSA and diploma and attach certified copies: diploma, transcript, honors certification, and ID. Also include your clearance document. Proceed to payment. Pay the processing fee and obtain an official receipt plus any tracking or reference number because you will need it for follow-up. Once submitted, note the estimated processing time and contact channel so you can check status without returning unnecessarily. Finally, when your eligibility card is issued, check every detail: your name spelling, date of issuance, and the recorded honor status. If anything's wrong, return immediately with originals and the receipt. If your application is denied, request a written explanation and submit any missing or corrected documents within the given deadline. This often resolves issues quickly. If errors persist, escalate via the Civil Service Reevaluation or Appeal channel, because formal review can correct administrative mistakes and secure your rightful card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.